Hello, dear kids. Greetings to you all. I hope everyone is safe and secure at home. Children, now I am going to show one chart to you. In that chart, you have to divide the animals as dangerous animal and pet animal. You know that, right? Wild animals and pet animals. Will you do that? Children, look at this chart. So in this, I have written few animals name. Now you have to divide them dangerous animal and pet animal. Okay, are you ready? Okay, now I am going to open the first chart. Here, see, look at this. What is this? Tiger. Yes, see tiger, whether it is dangerous animal or pet animal. Dangerous, wild animal, right? So, I am going to write here. Very good. Tiger is a dangerous animal. Now, I'm going to check the second one. See here. Cat. Dangerous or pet animal? Say fast. Yes, it is pet animal. Do you like cat, children? Yes. Okay, now I am going to show the third one. See here. What is this? Cow. Cow, it's a pet animal. Okay, now I'm going to show the next. Here, see, cheetah. What is that? Cheetah. It is dangerous, right? Cheetah. Next, I'm going to show the next. See here, dog. Dog, it is pet animal, right? Next one. See here. See here. What is this? Deer. This is also pet, right? Yeah, okay. And next I am going to show goat. This one also pet. And next, bear. This is cruel, dangerous animal. And the last one. Can you guess which animal will be in this? Yes, see your children. If you say whether it is dangerous or pet animal, then you are the very clever. Yes, see your, what is this? Lion. Correct, right? Whether it's dangerous or pet animal. Guess, what is this? Yes, it is dangerous animal. Very good, children. Well, children, now I am going to say one story about lion. Are you all ready to listen the story? Okay, let's start our lesson. Today we are going to learn about the lesson Androcles and the lion. Okay. Now children, first of all, I want you all to open your textbook on page number 9. Take your textbook, children. Open the page number 9. And take your pencil. Get your pencil. Now you have to underline the words which I ask you to underline. Are you ready? Shall we start the lesson now? Once children, now I am going to read out the lesson. Meanwhile, I'll say you to underline few words. So you have to do it. Will you? Shall we start the lesson now? Yes. Okay, now I am going to read the lesson. Children, see here. Now we are going to start the lesson. See, lesson number 1. Androcles and the lion. Okay. Now see children. Keep finger on the word. See here. Androcles. Children, see this one you have to pronounce Androcles. Okay. Androcles was a slave. Underline the word slave. You have pencil, right? Underline the word slave. Okay. Yes. He worked in a rich man's house. His master was very bad. He made him work day and night and punished him often. Androcles was very unhappy. Underline the word unhappy, children. Unhappy. Okay. Now, see here next. One day, Androcles ran away to the desert. Underline the word desert. Yes. Next, he ran and ran. The sand and the stones hurt his feet. He was very tired. Underline the word tired. Yes. Next, he went to sleep in a cave. Underline the word cave. Okay, next, see, the cave belonged to a lion. The lion had gone out hunting for its food. Underline the word hunting, Hunting, hunting. Okay, next, after some time, Androcles woke up from his sleep. Suddenly, he heard a lion roar. He was afraid. Underline the word afraid. Afraid, afraid. Over. Now, he looked around the cave and saw the lion. It came near him and roared again. Androcles realized that the lion was trying to tell him something. The lion held up its paw. Underline the word paw, P-A-W, paw, and roared loudly. Underline the word loudly. Yes. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. A thorn. Underline the word thorn, children. T-H-O-R-N. Underline that. Thorn was stuck in it. He gently pulled the thorn out of the lion's paw. The lion licked his face. This was the lion's way of saying thank you. Okay, children? Now, children, now I am going to explain the lesson. Okay, now I am going to say one story about lion. Listen carefully, children. Now here you see, children, Androcles was a slave. Children, Androcles is a name of a person, but he is very poor. Okay, see, that is a name of a person, Androcles. But he was a slave. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of slave? See here, slave means a man or a woman who has to work for someone else and is not free to live. Understood, right? Now, see, children, see, he was a slave. He worked in a rich man's house. Where he was working? Where Androcles was working? He was a poor guy, so he was working in a rich man. Rich man, you know? What is the meaning of rich man? Who is very wealthy. So, in rich man's house, who was working? Androcles was working. But, see here, his master, that rich man is there, right? So, his master was very bad. So, children, here see, he was not a kind man. He was very bad man. Who was bad? Androcles' master. See, his Androcles' master was very bad. He made him work day and night. See, his master used to make Androcles to do the work from morning to night. He was not giving free time to Androcles. From morning to till night, he was giving lots of work. And sometimes what he was doing, and his master sometimes punished him often. Frequently, he was punishing the Androcles. Sometimes he was beating the Androcles. Understood, right, children? See, his master was very bad. He was very cruel. He was giving lots of work to Androcles. Sometimes he was punishing him. So what happened? Androcles was very unhappy. Because of that, Androcles was very unhappy. Children, what is the meaning of unhappy? Not happy. Okay. Children, see, because of his master was punishing Androcles, right? So he was unhappy. He was not happy. Next, one day what happened? See, one day Androcles ran away to the desert. Children, one day what happened? Androcles decided to leave his master's house because he was getting punishment from the master, isn't it? So one day, what he had planned? he decided to leave his master's house. So, where did he go? Androcles ran away to the desert. Children, do you know what is the meaning of desert? See here. Desert, very dry and hot place where there is a lot of sand and very few plants. In the desert, children, we can see only sand. Also, that place is very hot and dry place. So Androcles, he decided to leave his master's house. He started to run from there. Finally, he reached desert. He ran and ran. He started to run very fast. He started to run. The sand and the stone. In the desert, we can see only sand and the stones, right? Although it is a hot place. See, that sand and the stone hurt his feet. It started to hurt his feet. So, he was very tired. So, he was very tired of running. Who was tired? Androcles. He was very tired of running. Children, you know what is the meaning of tired? See here. Tired means very, or else in need of sleep, or else lack of energy. Because he started to run from his master's house. Finally, he reached desert. So, he was very tired. Yes, children. See. Have you seen the desert? See, we can see only sand and the stone. Although Androcles started to run with the barefoot. So children, here now he is tired of running. So finally what happened? He went to sleep in a cave. In the desert, he found a cave. You know children, what is cave? Who lives in that cave? Wild animals, right? Have you seen the cave? See children, this is the cave. Okay, finally Androcles reached a cave. Okay, but children, the cave belonged to a lion. Who was living in that cave? Lion was living in that cave. But by that time, the lion had gone out for hunting for its food. See, when Androcles reached the cave, so lion was not there. So lion had gone out hunting for its food. You know children, what is the meaning of hunting? Hunting means, see children, wild animals go out in order to catch the animals for their food. Now see children, so in this time, lion is not there. Who is staying? Now Androcles is staying in that cave. Why? Because he is so tired to take a rest. He is staying in a cave. But now here see, a lion had gone out hunting for its food. To get his food, it had gone out. After some time, what happened? Androcles woke up. Actually, when Androcles entered the cave, he slept in that cave. After some time, he suddenly got up. He suddenly woke up from his sleep. He took a snap and he woke up from the sleep. Suddenly what happened? He heard a lion roar. Where we are staying? Now he is in a cave. Suddenly what did he hear? He heard a lion roaring sound. See children, lion. This is the lion. How it's roaring, right? See, now Androcles heard. What did he hear? Lion. It's roaring sound. He heard a lion's roaring. Now see children. So, suddenly Androcles, when he heard a lion roaring, he was afraid. You know children, what is the meaning of afraid? He got fear. So he was so nervous. Why? Because lion is a wild animal. It will kill us, right? So here see, he looked around the cave. He started to turn everywhere, looked around the cave and saw the lion. Finally, he saw the lion. Now see, it came near him. The lion came near Androcles and roared again. Again it started to roar. Lion came. See, it did not attack. Instead of that, what it's doing? It started to roar. Now see, Androcles realized See, continuously it's roaring. But Androcles realized. Realized means what? What is the meaning of realized, children? Clearly understand. He understood that the lion was trying to tell something. See, trying to tell him something. So Androcles, he observed the lion. It is not attacking. It is what it's doing. It is roaring. So he came to know that, oh, lion is trying to say something. So here, children, the lion, what it's doing? The lion held up its paw. Children, do you know what is the meaning of paw? Paw in the sense, the foot of an animal with claws and pads. See the foot of an animal. What we say? Paw. Children, see, this is the foot. The foot of an animal is called paw. This is paw. Okay. Can you see here, children? This is paw. Okay. See, children, the lion held up its paw and roared loudly. See, now the lion is showing its paw and again he started to roar loudly with a loud sound, with a great sound. It started to roar. Androcles looked at the lion's paw. Now Androcles looked at the paw. What happened to this lion? Why it's showing its lion? Why it's showing its paw? So now he looked at the lion's paw. See what happened to lion there? A thorn was stuck in it. Do you know, children, what is the meaning of thorn? Children, thorn means sharp or pointed part of a plant. Okay. See, children, this one. This is the thorn. Pointed part of a plant. Okay. See, children, now what happened to lion? See, a thorn was stuck in it. Thorn was stuck in its paw. So it's getting pain, right? Now it says, now here see, Androcles, he gently pulled the thorn. See, he removed the thorn from the lion's paw. Out of the lion's paw. See, children, see what was there? The thorn was stuck in its paw, in lion's paw. So Androcles went near to the lion and gently he pulled. Pulled means he removed the thorn out of the lion's paw. Okay. Now see, the lion licked his face. Why did lion lick his face, children? This is, children, this was the lion's way of saying thank you, because here Androcles helped the lion. So lion is thanking him by licking his face. Okay, children, till here we have understood the lesson. Children, now your turn. You have to do one homework. It is very easy, children. See here, what is your homework? Match the pictures in column A with the words in column B. In the A column, you can see the pictures, children. In the B column, you can see the names of the tools. Now, children, you have to match the pictures with their name. Okay, children. So, you do this in your textbook. Okay, no? You do this homework in your textbook. Take pencil and match it. Okay, once I will read out. See, axe, hammer, screwdriver, a pair of scissors and nail. Okay, will you match, children? Will you match the pictures with their name? Yeah, okay. Match it and